Hello everyone, this is Moshumi Datta and you are watching MOUSUMI'S Artistry. Welcome to my channel and welcome to my new video. So in today's video, I will show you that how you can convert a earring into a ring, finger ring. So as you can see that this is an oxidized earring and I have taken a plus here. And then I have pressed over it with the plus and given it a shape like a ring. And after this I am going to use it and I'm gonna wear it, and it's looking something like this when I wear it. Just see, it's looking beautiful and it's really adjustable. You don't need to give much effort to make this. So I think this is looking very cool, and from the back side it's looking something like this. So I hope this is a very small video, so you have enjoyed it so much, and if yes, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye bye.